Welcome to the magnificent Pula Amphitheater, also known as the Pula Arena. It stands as one of the best preserved Roman amphitheaters in existence today. It once hosted thrilling gladiator battles, contests, and other grand spectacles. But the Pula Amphitheater is more than just a relic of the past. It's a vibrant cultural hub that continues to bring people together by hosting sport events, concerts, and festivals. The Pula Amphitheater is a place where history meets entertainment, where past and present unite, and where memories are made that last a lifetime. But the arena isn't the only mesmerizing ancient relic. Croatia is filled with them, and our country takes pride in their preservation. For me, nothing beats our precious blue sapphire, the Adriatic Sea. Another important site is the old Roman theater, which has recently been restored and put to use as one of the most unique performance stages in the area. There are tons of other famous landmarks across our country, such as Dubrovnik Old City Walls, Diocletian Palace in Split, and Plitvice Lakes National Park, each unique in their own way.